Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the 2nd of December, 2024, and we are now ready to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any significant updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 19th of November, 2024, our system has ranked Apple as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations with a gain of approximately 5%. This results in an average return of around 0.55% per day since it received the hold or accumulate rating. A score of 0 indicates that our system expects significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we cannot predict the stock's next move, as it could go in either direction. The stock is currently positioned in the upper segment of a weak upward trend in the short term. This situation may present an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at 240.76 will initially signify a stronger rate of ascent. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 4.02% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 2.40% to positive 4.52%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a 31.56% change over the next year, with a potential return between 11.88% and 42.17%. This translates to a price range of 268.6 to 340.63 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple features the headline, Apple stock downgraded to hold, accumulate. The Apple stock price experienced an increase of 0.95% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 2nd of December, 2024. This brought the stock price from $237.33 to $239.59. Throughout the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.53%, with a low of $237.16 and a high of $240.79. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days, accumulating a total increase of 6.48% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 11 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with an aggregate of 39 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $9.35 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price of $240.79, while the lowest price was $164.08. Currently, the price is 0.5%, or $1.20, below the 52-week high of $240.79, which is also the all-time highest price for the stock. Shares of Apple Inc. have reached a new record, rising by 1% today, as technology stocks elevated the Nasdaq Composite to intraday highs. This strong performance reflects the company's solid market position and growing investor confidence in its long-term growth potential. However, Apple is currently facing a lawsuit from an employee who accuses the company of illegally monitoring personal devices and stifling discussions about pay and working conditions. While Apple denies these claims and emphasizes its commitment to employee rights training, such legal challenges can pose reputational risks and affect employee morale. In the short term, this lawsuit may lead to increased scrutiny from both the public and investors, potentially causing stock price volatility. On a more positive note, financial analysts remain optimistic about Apple. Morgan Stanley continues to maintain an overweight rating, projecting a price target of $273, suggesting a potential upside of 15% from its current trading level. Additionally, Apple's partnerships in the technology sector, including a significant collaboration with Cloudflare, position the company favorably for growth in the generative artificial intelligence space. Analyst ratings. On the 2nd of December 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned Apple a neutral grade along with a hold action. On the same date, Jefferies also assigned Apple a hold grade and recommended a hold action. On the 29th of November 2024, Wedbush rated Apple as outperform with a hold action. On the 19th of November 2024, KeyBank assigned Apple an underweight grade, recommending a hold action. On the 5th of November 2024, Bernstein rated Apple as outperform and suggested a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The Apple stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is currently above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected from the levels of $234 and $229. A breakdown below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, November 4th, 2024, and since then, the stock has appreciated by nearly 8%. Further increases are projected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The rising volume accompanying the price elevation is considered a favorable technical indicator. The stock displayed a golden star signal on Wednesday, September 18, 2024, within the short-term chart. A golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line converge in a distinctive combination. This occurrence is quite rare and is often followed by significant and sustained gains for the stock in question. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 20 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 5 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 136 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $232.87, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. This stock is typically traded at a healthy volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is considered low. Over the last day, the stock moved $3.63, representing 1.53% between its high and low. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.29%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio falls within a typical range, frequently observed in companies with established histories or stable revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th day of February in the year 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are projected at $2.36. It's important to pay attention to these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you may want to enter a position and use volume to guide your exit strategy. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $232.87. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of November, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson executed an insider sale of 75,000 shares of common stock. On the 18th of November, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson conducted another insider sale of 75,000 shares of common stock. On the 19th of November, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson sold 50,000 shares of common stock in an insider transaction. On the 18th of November, 2024, Chris Kondo executed an insider sale of 4,130 shares of common stock. On the 5th of November, 2024, Catherine L. Adams executed an insider sale of 8,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, we found the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 28.35. In total, insiders purchased 2,065,334 shares and sold 3,807,852 shares in those 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $227.18, reflecting a decrease of 5.18%. This stock exhibits low daily movements, which contributes to its low risk profile. However, the relative strength index, calculated over 14 periods, stands at 83, indicating a substantial increase in risk. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal originating from a pivot bottom established 19 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At the current price level, it should be seen as a hold candidate, meaning investors should consider holding or accumulating more shares while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our evaluation from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate suggestion since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 3rd of December, we anticipate that Apple will open lower by approximately 0.4 dollars, starting trading at $239.18. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.